As you graduate from college student to homeowner, you'll find that boiling water is good for much more than just cooking ramen noodles at 3 a.m. Boiling water is a practical panacea for clearing clogs, steaming off stains, and melting away maintenance issues faster than you can say, "I'm a little teapot." And all you gotta do is fill a pot or kettle with water, put it on the stove, and heat it up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your boil breaks, you can use the scalding liquid for any number of jobs around the house, which we've boiled down to these 6. Number 1, clear a clog in your bathroom or kitchen sink. Number 2, get your bathtub or shower drain flowing again. Note, only use either of these methods if your house has galvanized steel, copper, or iron pipes, as boiling water can damage PVC pipes. Number 3, get your toilet flushing again. In this case, be sure to let the water cool to below boiling before pouring to avoid cracking your bowl. Number 4, clean out or thaw out your gutters and downspouts. Number 5, kill weeds growing through your concrete or asphalt. And number 6, clean grease and oil stains off your garage floor or driveway. Boil. Boil. Why won't you boil?